Okay, here it is. My 1972 Telecaster Deluxe. On the bridge and the pickups. There's two humbucker pickups. There are 4 control pots, 2 volume, 2 tone. There is the switch. Switch up is the neck, switch down is the bridge pickup. Go up the strings. I just put brand new strings on it. These are slightly thicker than the strings that came with it. Funny thing is, as I was taking the strings off to replace them, the B string actually broke. So just in time, I guess. I put a decal on it showing who built it. You can see there are 2 string trees. I had to modify my hanger a little bit in order to make it so the guitar wouldn't slip around on it. The other hangers are a little less complicated. As you can see, they're just simple hangers, but then again, all the other guitars have double sides that are identical that the hangers can hang on. So even my Epiphone Les Paul has 2 sides. Okay, and then of course there is the hand hanger, which I saw a teacher had one of these in her classroom and hanging her guitar up. I thought it was really cool. I told Sue and she went and found me one. Then I had to make a hanger for my ukulele. So that's just a wood thing. So there it is. Since I put the new strings on and got them all set up and re-intonated, which I didn't really have to do, string height did have to be adjusted because these strings pull a little harder. I checked the neck relief and it was perfect. So I do notice these strings stay in tune much better than the strings that came with it. So there it is. All right, we be done.